The video on this channel has been obtained through public records requests. The featured content is not intended to be violent or glorify violence in any way. We are sharing the footage for the purposes of news reporting and education. Thank you. Hit that like button. Let's go.
On December 1st, 2023, around 10:20 p.m., officers responded to a report of a shoplifting in progress at a local store. Attempted to flee but was quickly apprehended following a brief foot pursuit and successful taser deployment.
Are they still in the store?
Salute, salute. Good morning, Goodbread, sisters with sins and kings. How y'all doing? Now, today's video is brought to us by Blue Radar Body Cams. So if y'all don't want to hear my commentary, y'all could go on over there and check out the video without my commentary. All right, let's get started.
White shirt. White shirt.
Where is he, at the register right now?
No, he's just walking in the aisles. I watch him put something in his pants, and he also has a backpack, so I don't know if he has anything else.
16, I'm 10 to 5 to call her. Detective's back with the subject. What's going on, man?
What's up?
Huh?
What's going on?
What are you up to? Huh? Nothing. Got an ID on you by chance?
I'm sure why.
No? Okay. You should get your hand in your pocket for me? Alright, I'm just gonna secure you right now, okay? Stop! Stop!
For what?
You're gonna get tased, bro.
For what? Wow.
Stop!
Why you tasing me, bro?
Get on the, turn around. Turn around! 16-foot pursuit! You're gonna get tased! Taser, taser! Get down! Stay down! Stay down! Stay down! 14, taser deployed.
Why y'all?
Subject down. Turn around.
Why you tasing me, bro?
Just turn around, dude. Come on, bro. Come on. Put your hands behind your back. Come on, bro. Come on.
Dag, these young men be on a sweet mission for real. They be running around here and they just don't have no sense of life. He asked for this. You asked for this, man.
Hands behind your back.
Why you tasing me, bro?
Is he the only one? Yep.
Why you tasing me, bro?
Because you're running from the police. You can't do that.
I did too.
I tased him twice.
I tased him once.
Just got done with it.
Did we already cross these?
Huh? No. No, let's get them in route.
17. We have 15. Alright. I'll go talk to the caller.
Yeah, he's in there.
Are you guys called CVS or what's your final?
They're going regarding the set of roll.
Roll. Hold on, we're gonna have to collect these in the kitchen, so let's get him untangled from this. Yeah, I'm just trying to collect everything so we don't lose anything. Unhook your cartridge. And just hold on to it. So that we can see which... Huh? Yeah, I was getting there. I was trying to, and then he ripped away from me. Alright, that's still in him. Alright, let's get him up.
Come on, man, run towards me, okay? Let me set you up. 1, 2, 3.
Thanks for coming.
I got you back. I appreciate it.
You got one in your car?
No, I don't have one in my car. talk about it later. We'll talk about it later.
You good?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to find out. You the one that called? Okay. Do you know what he took? Or
Yeah, his backpack is there.
I'm sorry?
His backpack is in that car.
Oh, his backpack's in the cart?
Yeah, so I don't know what he was trying to do, but his backpack is in the car. And then he had some stuff in his pants, because that's where I saw he was putting some stuff in his bag.
He was stuffing his pants. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, if you want to just... Yeah. So this is what he had?
Yeah, this is what he has.
Okay. Did you want to press charges for whatever he took?
Let me call my store manager and find out.
Okay. Yep.
Yeah, first try.
Okay. So he was stuffing stuff in his pants.
Yeah,
is what you saw. Okay. Did you see him stuff anything in the backpack?
I don't know, because when I first came, I was counting the money upstairs, and I wasn't really paying attention to the store. So when I got out to come back, he was just in the aisle, just going around, looking, touching stuff. And then I was like, he looks kind of suspicious. Let me go upstairs. So I went upstairs, and I was watching him putting stuff in his pants. So I don't know if he already had stuff in his bag.
Was that his hat?
Yeah, that's his hat.
I'm sure you're probably the only one. You're probably one of the only ones working, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I have the statement here, but I'm gonna go through his bag. Okay. I don't know if you can tell like what he might have taken.
That's definitely like I caught him in the middle of it. No, that's not. I caught him in the middle of it because he would have probably gone and taken his phone. Just that I think I caught him in the middle of it because I caught him in the back and he kept on going around. One time I was on the
So couple things that I'm gonna need. Obviously, I know, like I said, you're the only one working probably. Okay. So, do you have access to the surveillance video?
Yeah.
Okay, would you be able to create a copy for us? Doesn't have to be right now.
Yeah.
You can call tomorrow, and then someone from day shift can come pick it up.
Okay.
Okay? But we're gonna need that. And then also that statement right there. Just your name, good phone number for you, and then write down everything you saw, why you called, all that good stuff. And then I'm gonna go get a different piece of paper. So 100%, this is yours, that's yours, this is yours, that's yours, that's yours, that's not.
The funny thing is, I feel like he's part of, because I feel like I've seen him today, like before, and he was with somebody else, and they walked out, and they stole the same backpack, and the other guy had a duffel bag. They walked out, and the thing like I was upset by myself at the time.
Gotcha.
So I guess he saw that I didn't do nothing, he came back and then he tried to do it.
The same dude.
Because he had the same backpack. Well, I remember seeing his backpack, and that was his backpack.
All right, so yeah, if you could start writing on that for me. I'm gonna go get a different piece of paper. This is his. I'm gonna go get my phone. I'm gonna take a picture of this. And then, if there's no one here right now, could you run a receipt of these items right here? Or
Yes, we sell these oils. I'm not 100% sure. The honey pot we sell.
you did it all? Oh, okay. Thank you.
What is that? Was that his pants too?
Oh, that's bear.
McEachern, you said all this was in his pants?
All of that was in one place or another. Pants.
Most of it is underwear.
This
you
was in his
also-
ass crack, so don't touch that.
Thank you.
I would thought was the vibrator. I don't know. There's a lot of people out there. All this stuff is ours, yeah? Oh, shoot. All this stuff.
Yeah.
Just confirming that was his.
This was in his ass. This was in his front. This was in his front.
Oh, yeah, that's
This was in his front.
he does it to do his own thing. That's all that is. I don't know about
And this was in his girlfriend. He says.
What about that was because it came with that right over there.
So that goes with this?
Yeah,
That's a USB charger?
Yeah, that's the charger for that.
Yeah.
So he took it out the box, so that means the box is inside somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah, the box is plus one.
So all of this is yours?
Yes, all that is.
Okay, the Tommy copper gloves? Or the
Copper one, that's his copper one? What? Copper fit? Copper fit? Yeah. So that means the box is in there.
If you guys want to, get
could you
grocery bags.
Yeah.
And that way you can put at least that one and the second one. Because they're going to take a picture and stuff. Once they take a picture and stuff, you can just grab all the crap. And then get
I would also like a receipt for
I just said that.
okay.
And the receipt for
Yeah.
So can we move
You just take a picture and then they're gonna.
Yeah, that's why I said get a picture of it. They're going to grab bags and then grab the stuff that's fine. Well, so I don't know if anybody got a picture of his back, so make sure you get that possible.
Okay.
Alright, I'll be your Cafe Rosso.
And
I'll be your Sally now. I'll be your Sally.
Return property affidavit.
You got the return property after
I just took pictures of this.
Oh, they're all over there. You get them here? Grab some.
We'll drop.
So
Drop that as evidence.
Just wear your pretty little head up in there.
Yeah. Just throw all that stuff in the hat and then we'll take care of this. Yeah. Throw all that stuff in the hat. And
Actually, let's see the receipt real quick. I took pictures already, so you're good. So I just need a receipt for that stuff.
I asked him to get his hands out of his pockets, and I was trying to go scrim, and he ripped away from me. I'm like, no, don't do that. He got tased.
Alright.
Take it out of him? Or?
Yeah, there's one in his back near the, like right near the spine area. And then one back there. He's got some cuts too. So. Not if they're kind of. Tend not to if it's near the spine.
Get some gauze just in case it starts bleeding. I don't think they realize that once we use the plastic thing, once it's thrown away because of a biohazard. Right. I don't think they realize that.
Well, just finished my RTR from yesterday. We got another one now.
Make sure you finish your RTR from the day now. Hello,
The last thing was here.
Yeah, because I don't think they realize that we have 2 guards. So, yeah. Oh, your last? Which way I go back?
You go this way. You want me to check on those or no?
Bro, I don't really care, bro. I've been begging you fucking, like,
Do you want me to check on them?
get your business, bro.
He was medically cleared and transported to jail for
We
booking.
got you at the hospital. All right.
The suspect was charged with theft, resisting an officer without violence, and unlawful possession of personal identification. The suspect, who was observed concealing items,
This one here was self-explanatory. We got to do better, fellas. We got to get committed to a purpose so we not out here doing dumb stuff like stealing. We got to sacrifice, guys. We got to make the proper sacrifices so we don't try to steal everything. And I mean, if you steal it, you can't keep it. Remember. All right, y'all. Hit that like button on the way out, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see y'all later.